So as you can see on the sign, guys, Shively Area Ministries, where our neighbors in crisis find help and hope. Well, this week, they're finding some dang good flavor too, because Danos is here to donate some flavor to these families in need that, guess what? They also deserve great flavor too. We have hundreds of bottles to give out to these neighbors in need, and they soon will be making this whole neighborhood smell like Thanksgiving every day. Let me tell you what, we've met the whole staff, a lot of the volunteers. They're all the best-hearted people, and they're also going to be helping not only get their neighborhood the food and hope that they need, but they're also getting them some dang good flavor this week. There's nothing we are more proud of than being here to help the neighbors in this area get them some of that yum yum get you some.
What's up, y'all? We're out here doing something super awesome today. We're at Shively Area Ministries, Louisville, Kentucky. And Shively, Louisville, yes. So I'm with Leah.
Hi.
And we're basically, they're explaining to me how this food thing, considered a food thing, how everything works.
So we are Shively Area Ministries. My name is Leah. I'm the development coordinator here. So you are in our food pantry, and we are open at the moment. So you might see some volunteers getting stuff together for our clients. So as part of the Association of Community Ministries, we give out food and services to people living in the 40216 zip code. We have food donations mainly from Dare to Care. We also get items from Save-A-Lot, Kroger's, Aldi's, and Meijer, as well as Walmart. And these are some of our food boxes that we give out to clients. Some of the non-frozen items, including soups, crackers, pasta sauce, and we also have some frozen meats ready to go, steaks and pork and hot dogs and things like that today.
So how does it work? You were telling me that they basically pull out, they come here once a month.
Yes, they come here once a month. The boxes are, we have a volunteer up front that will check them in, and then they will call back here and let us know how many people are in the household, and then we kind of gauge boxes by that. If it's a single person, they get about one box. But if you're someone who has 4 teenagers at home, you might need a little bit more food than that. So we try to make it household appropriate. We also have hygiene items that we get donated, as well as diabetes food that people can ask for if they need those as well.
So what's the best thing if somebody wanted to donate to a local food bank like yourself here? What's the best thing for them to do?
Right now we are looking for crackers and soups because we have a lot of clients who specifically request that, as well as healthier food items and hygiene products. Monetary donations are also welcome, and that helps us buy things like, say we get a Dare to Care box that's full of spaghetti but no spaghetti sauce, so that's what kind of monetary donations would be.
I've always been told that monetary donations is sometimes the best way to go to a food bank, because somebody is just like, oh, I want to take this food here. It might be the wrong food at that time, but if you give them money, then they know what food they need to buy. Like you said, if they got a bunch of pasta, then they can cut.
We'll never turn down a food donation. There's always, especially with something different that we normally don't get. So, but monetary donations then just gives a little more flexibility to get what our clients might need. We are here Monday through Thursday, 9:30 to 12:30 in the mornings, and then Tuesdays we are here at 1:30 to 4 o'clock. And then you come and get food anytime during those times.
That's awesome. This is pretty cool. This is a little pull-up library. You can see. Got some books in there.
Lots of kids' books.
Kids get excited when they pull up. So you can always donate your books, don't forget. So they pull up here, and basically we're hooking them up with the original, the spicy, or the chipotle.
They're getting dang good flavor.
They're getting dang good flavor, as you can see. We got a bunch to give away, so we're going to leave this with them so they can continue throughout the week till it's gone. Spread that Danos. People have never had it before. So, doing a good thing.
I'm Gary Copeland, Executive Director of Shively Area Ministries. Shively Area Ministries is an emergency relief organization for those living in the 40216 zip code. We're standing here in the food pantry, as you can see. One day, our record, we've served 85 people. We routinely serve 40 to 50 people a day. They come in for food, and they walk out with what they tell us is 7 to 10 days worth of food. We are a Dare to Care food pantry. They are the major supplier of food, but we also have a variety of donations, and we buy food ourselves and so forth. We have other financial assistance programs such as rent and utility support. We have education programs. Our job is to take people who find themselves in financial crisis. They've lost a job, had an auto accident, an illness, and all of a sudden a paycheck stops. 2 paychecks later, they still don't have it. They're skipping their rent payment to pay their utility payment. They're behind on somewhere, and our job is to help bail them out and get them back on their feet. The truth of the matter is, places like us serve many people on a regular basis who live at the poverty level or near the poverty level, who no matter how careful they are, how well they try to manage their economic situation, it's not quite enough. We also try to educate our clients about healthy eating. We routinely offer Dare to Care Cooking Matters classes, including Cooking Matters for Kids classes. And the idea is to help our clients learn about food and healthy living. For our kids, Cooking Matters, it gives them something to do in the summer. It gives them some awareness of food, some awareness of the economics of food, awareness of healthy eating. And so we like to offer this to our clients. We consider ourselves crisis, but we also like to prevent those crises. We also like to provide recipes and other products that promote healthy living and enable that healthy living. And so the Dan-O's Seasonings is a perfect match for this, where they can come in and pick up something to make their food better, their meat better, and do it in a healthy way. And start to realize that healthy doesn't mean not good. Healthy can mean flavorful, really tasty. And we want them to learn that lesson and move forward with it.
Okay guys, so we are finished here at the Shively Area Ministries. We met a lot of great people. It was actually touching to see how thankful people really were. They wanted to know a lot about the product. They asked questions about why low sodium is important, what the no sugar really means. We were able to answer some questions for them. We appreciate being able to come out here and do such a great job of giving out some real flavor. Yum, yum, get you some.